Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll solve an example using call by reference. As you can see here, z is actual parameter and x is formal parameter, and now we'll solve this. So z equals to 1, and as z is actual parameter and x is formal parameter, and we know that in call by reference the formal and actual parameters share same memory location. So here z and x will share same memory location. So z and x. The value of z is 1. So the value of x will also be 1. Now we'll move with this function. So p of z means p of 1. P of 1, when this function will be calling, so when p of 1, so x equals to x plus 1, x and z are 1, so x equals to x plus 1, which means x equals to 2. Now z equals to z plus 2. Initially z is 2, so z equals to z plus 2, which means z equals to 4. Now this function has been called. Now this print statement will move forward. So print of z, so print z is 4, so print 4, output will be 4. Thank you so much. We'll move forward with another example using call by reference. This is the another example and solving it using call by reference. As you can see, this a and b are actual parameters and x, y, z are formal parameters. So a and b are actual parameters and x, y, z are formal parameters. Now a equals to 3 and b equals to 3. So foo of a plus b, which means 6, a comma a, 3 comma 3. Now this function has been called. So foo of 6 comma 3 comma 3. So in this function, and also we know that in call by reference the formal and actual parameters share same memory location. So the value of x, y, z, like x, y. Now a plus b and the value of x will be same. So a plus b and x. The value of a and y will be same. So the value of a and y will be same. The value of a and z will also be same. So a and z. Now a plus b, which means 3 plus 3, so 6. A is 3, so a is 3. Now we'll move forward with this function. So y equals to y plus 1, which means, so here y is 3, so y equals to y plus 1, which means y equals to 4. Now z equals to x plus x. X is 6, so z equals to x plus x, and z, so 6 plus 6, so 12. This function has been ended now. Now this printf statement will work. So printf a, so printf of a, which will be printf of a is 12, so printf 12. Output